front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos or Albums at the top. When you find all of your photos to get rid of, you need to hold one of them and select multiple thanks to this icon at the top right corner. To keep some of them, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, click on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!